Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch to an HP laptop. It's important to understand that a direct connection for data transfer or management between these two devices is not natively supported. The Apple Watch is specifically engineered to pair and sync with an iPhone, which acts as its central hub. Your HP laptop cannot directly manage or access the data on your Apple Watch. Your iPhone is the essential link in the Apple Watch ecosystem. All of your health metrics, activity data, and notifications are sent directly from your watch to your paired iPhone. This device acts as the central hub for managing all watch settings, installing applications, and updating its software. Always ensure your iPhone remains connected to your Apple Watch for seamless operation. While direct connection is not possible, you can access some Apple Watch data indirectly on your HP laptop. Your health and fitness information, once synced to your iPhone, can then be uploaded to iCloud. You can then use any web browser on your HP laptop to log into iCloud.com and view certain data. Some third-party applications may also offer similar data viewing options. It is crucial to understand the limitations of attempting a direct connection. You cannot directly pair your Apple Watch to an HP laptop to receive notifications, nor can you manage its settings or install new applications from your computer. Furthermore, an HP laptop cannot be used to update your Apple Watch's operating system. The iPhone remains indispensable for these functions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.